Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Discovery Toys is probably one of the most effective ways to unlock your child's imagination and nurture their natural curiosity, offering a wide variety of engaging and educational playthings designed to stimulate learning through interactive play, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills while ensuring countless hours of fun and entertainment for children of all ages and interests, making it a perfect choice for parents seeking enriching and enjoyable playtime experiences. Number 5. National Geographic Geodes. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Let's open this box and discover the amazing geodes inside. You'll find everything you need for a fun and educational experience. It's time to break open these unique rocks and reveal the beautiful crystals hidden within. Each one holds a surprise, so get ready to be amazed. These geodes have been carefully selected to show you a wide range of colors and crystal formations. You'll find a stunning variety of natural wonders. These are real geodes, just as nature created them. They vary in size, adding to the excitement of discovering what's inside each one. This isn't just a fun activity, it's an educational journey. The included learning guide will teach you all about how these fascinating rocks are formed. This kit is designed to provide a high-quality, hands-on science experience. We're committed to making learning fun and engaging for everyone. What we like? It lets you discover amazing crystals hidden inside real geodes. The kit offers a wide variety of crystals for a unique experience each time. If you are looking for a fun and educational STEM activity that sparks curiosity about geology, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure, for rocks to smash and or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We were thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. One of the 4 rocks turned out to be a solid piece of crystal, which, while smaller than the rest, was still a delightful surprise and not at all a deal-breaker. The geodes are carefully selected to ensure high quality and diversity, providing a range of colors, textures, and crystal formations to explore. With the included safety goggles and instructions, breaking open the geodes becomes a fun and safe activity that the whole family can enjoy. Number 4. National Geographic Mega Gem Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. You'll unearth 15 real gemstones and crystals, just like a real miner. It's a thrilling experience unearthing pyrite, amethyst, tiger's eye, and more. Discover the beauty of nature's hidden gems. This kit has everything you need: a dig brick, chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. It's a complete adventure waiting to begin. It's more than just digging, it's a learning experience. The included guide teaches you about how gemstones are formed and mined. Give the gift of exploration and discovery. It's a fun and educational activity that sparks curiosity and wonder. It's perfect for young scientists. We're committed to providing high-quality, educational toys. If you have any issues, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like? Unearth real gemstones and crystals with this exciting digging kit. It's like having your own gem mine at home. If your child loves hands-on activities and learning about gems, this kit will provide hours of fun and discovery. What people say. The gems and crystals are beautiful and make for a nice collection. It comes with a book to learn about each one, which is awesome. The National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit is a fantastic way to spark curiosity and a love for geology in children. The kit comes with everything you need to dig up 15 real gemstones and crystals, offering hours of engaging, hands-on activity. Includes 15 real gemstones and crystals for a fun treasure hunt experience. Educational learning guide provides fascinating facts about each gem. Number 3. National Geographic Rock Box. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of rocks and minerals. This kit is perfect for young scientists and budding geologists. It's packed with an incredible variety of gemstones, crystals, and real fossils. You'll find everything from sparkling quartz to ancient shark teeth. Examine real fossils, including dinosaur poop, ammonites, and more. It's a hands-on journey through prehistoric times. The excitement of discovery awaits. Break open geodes to reveal stunning crystal treasures hidden inside. Keep your collection organized with the included storage bag and display case. Show off your favorite specimens. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational adventure that sparks curiosity and a love for science. A perfect gift for any child. What we like. This kit is the ultimate collection for young rock enthusiasts. It includes a wide variety of rocks, minerals, and real fossils. If you want to build a comprehensive rock collection, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This is a very nice collection of different gems, geodes, and fossils. It has all of what was in product's description. Good quality of gems and a useful information booklet. The included specimens are genuine and well-preserved, offering a real-world connection to Earth's history. Cracking open geodes and discovering crystal formations is a fun and exciting activity for kids. Number 2. National Geographic Earth Kit. It's time for some serious science fun. This kit is packed with over 100 Earth science activities to explore the wonders of our planet. Get ready to grow a real crystal and build a volcano that erupts. It's all part of the fun. Everything you need for 15 amazing experiments is right here. You'll even excavate for fool's gold. This kit comes with 10 real rock and mineral specimens, a great start to your own collection. A case is included to keep them safe. The fun doesn't stop there. We've included a guide with 85 plus more experiments using common household items. It's from Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. We're committed to fostering education and creativity. What we like. It's packed with over 100 exciting Earth science experiments. From growing crystals to creating a volcano, it offers a wide range of activities. If your child is curious about science and enjoys hands-on learning, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. My daughter immediately got curious when she saw this gift. This is a very entertaining way to teach science to kids. He loved the entire set. He started with the digging tools and moved on to the volcano. He was entertained by the lava flowing and had fun building and painting the mountain. He is 4 and this was all perfect age range with a little help. Parents can help kids with this. Not too messy. Very good to help kids learn science. Number 1. National Geographic Marble Run. Get ready for hours of fun and learning with this exciting new marble run. It's the perfect STEM toy for kids of all ages. It's built with sturdy, snug-fitting pieces, ensuring your marble maze stays intact during playtime. With so many pieces, the possibilities are endless. Watch in amazement as the 15 bright, glow-in-the-dark marbles race down the track. The included UV light keeps them shining brightly. A handy storage bag keeps all the pieces organized, making cleanup a breeze. Everything is neatly stored away until your next adventure. It's more than just fun, it's educational. Learn about physics and aerodynamics while building and playing. The included guide makes learning fun. We are committed to providing high-quality, engaging toys that spark curiosity and learning. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This marble run is not only fun but also educational. The glow-in-the-dark marbles add an extra element of excitement. If you are looking for a STEM toy that combines construction, physics, and imaginative play, this is a great option. What people say. After opening this setup, my daughter and I got to work making towers of exciting marble runs. No need for instructions, most pieces you'll figure out, and then for the pieces that look weird your wife will read the instructions and explain it to you later. The pieces are simple and connect easily, and you'll fight your children for the cool pieces. There are lots of support pieces and several unique pinwheel, looping, spiraling pieces. Some pieces branch in different directions so you can build multi-path runs that go in different directions. The marbles are glow in the dark. So build your tower at dusk and then prepare for the spectacular marble light show extravaganza. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.